Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my October Young Living Essential Rewards box. It's a small one and it is a little bit late. I've had it for a little bit, but I hadn't had a chance to unbox it, so better late than never, right? But Young Living is an essential oil company. They have oil infused products that are for household, skincare, health and wellness. They have nutritional supplements. They have all kinds of products for women, men, babies, and children. And so as a Young Living Essential Rewards member, I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And so each and every month I go in and I change the items that are going to get sent to me based on what I need for my home at that time. So I don't really remember what is actually in this box because it's been a little bit. It is a small box, and so we're going to see what we have for this month. So I've got my packing slip. You get all the packing paper here. And the first thing I see is the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. And so I try to order a bath and shower gel like once a month or once every other month because I like to use it as like a body wash, but also like soap to shave my legs with and things like that. And so this month I got the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel, and it smells so good. It has like a minty kind of herbal smell to it. It smells really good. And so right now I'm finishing up my lavender bath and shower gel, and I'm going to switch to this. But let me read to you about the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. Alright, so the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel will help you feel refreshed every day with the power of pure essential oils like peppermint, lemongrass, and rosemary, which uplift and energize, while juniper purifies and cleanses the skin. And so I kind of rotate back and forth between the lavender and the Morning Start. They also have a bar soap for this, and that I haven't tried, but I would like to try. So that's my first item. And then inside I have some tubes here, and it looks like some of my essential oils fell out. So let's see what we have here. Of course, each month I try to order an orange essential oil. Orange is just a good essential oil to blend other essential oils with, and in the fall months I like to, you know, use orange in my diffuser blends with like cinnamon bark and clove and things like that. So that's just a good one to have. Let's read what it says about orange. I'd say orange is probably one of my favorite citrus essential oils. So it says orange is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring feelings of inspiration. And it says you can diffuse it, directly inhale it, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So I basically use it in my diffuser blends in my diffuser. So that's a good one to have. My next tube. Oh, okay, I forgot I got this. So my husband likes to use the Shutran Beard Oil. Let's see if I can get close enough to where you can see that. And I try to kind of stock up on it because it tends to go out of stock a lot. And so it's No Shave November right now, and so he's really getting into growing out that beard. So I like to get him some extra beard oil for that. And let me read to you what it says about that. Now it has the Shutran essential oil blend in it. Let me read that real quick, and then I'll share the beard oil with you. It says, for the Shutran essential oil, it says an empowering essential oil blend specially formulated for men to boost feelings of masculinity and confidence. Shutran is perfect for use as a cologne that appeals to both men and women, and it contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, northern lights black spruce, and it smells really, like it says, masculine. It makes a good cologne. But for the beard oil, it says Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran essential oil blend, specifically crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And so it smells really good. And then the last one, you know, it's fall, and so, you know, we're leaning towards winter here real soon. And so this time of year I like to stock up on some Christmas Spirit. And so Christmas Spirit is a good one because I love to put several drops of orange and a few drops of Christmas Spirit in my diffuser, and it smells amazing. If you're looking for that perfect holiday scent, this is my go-to combination for that. And so it's a smaller bottle, but I start stocking up on it. I try to get like a, you know, one a month for the next couple months, because I pretty much diffuse that consistently between now and I'd say about February, and then I kind of switch over to some spring essential oils in my diffuser in March, April, somewhere around there. But Christmas Spirit is a good one, and it does smell like Christmas in a bottle. Let me read to you what they say about Christmas Spirit. And with everything going on right now, I feel like we could all use a little extra Christmas spirit, don't you? So it says, experience the positive energy of the holidays all year long with the aromas of orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce essential oils in Christmas Spirit. And so the ingredients are orange, cinnamon bark, and black spruce, and it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So it is a small Essential Rewards order this month. So just to review, I did pay for the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel, the Shutran Beard Oil for my husband, and then of course I wanted to get the orange and the Christmas Spirit to help me get ready for Christmas. So I do want to share with you some of my favorite essential oil singles and blends for the fall months. Since it is a small order, I thought I'd share that with you, and I'll start with the singles. And so, just like I mentioned before, orange is one of my favorite essential oil singles for this time of year because it just blends well with everything that I like to put in my diffuser during the fall and winter months. So that's one of my favorites. Another favorite essential oil single is Clove, and Clove makes me think of like baking cookies in your home, and so I like to put Clove with orange, obviously, but I also like to put it with some of my tree essential oils. It goes really well with Northern Lights black spruce. It almost smells like a Christmas tree and baking cookies at the same time. So Clove is another one of my favorite essential oil singles during the fall months. Another favorite essential oil single during the fall months is definitely cinnamon bark. And so cinnamon bark is a good one because it goes in a lot of the fall diffuser blends that we have this time of year. You know, you've got your pumpkin spice diffuser blends that call for cinnamon bark. The good thing about cinnamon bark is that a little bit goes a long way, so you only need a drop or two in your diffuser for it to smell really, really good. And so I figured I'd pick out 3 essential oil singles, but I've also got 3 essential oil blends. And so I have to go with one of my favorites, the Thieves essential oil blend. This is something I get pretty much monthly. And so Thieves essential oil blend contains more than one essential oil, but it's great for supporting the immune system and the respiratory system. And so during the fall months, we start to see some of those issues pop up. And so I try to diffuse this at night regularly to help support my family's immune system and respiratory system. So let me read to you what it says about Thieves essential oil blend. All right, so Thieves essential oil blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol. And so the ingredients, the essential oils that are blended together in here are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. And so this one is a great one to diffuse to help support the respiratory system and the immune system, but it also smells really fall-like with the clove and the cinnamon bark in there. Another favorite essential oil blend is Raven, and so Raven is one of my go-tos for the fall and winter months. It's a blend of several essential oils. This one is also great for supporting the immune system, but it's really well known for supporting the respiratory system. So let me read to you what it says about Raven. So Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And so when you think about that, you know, you think of those rubs that you put on your chest or maybe on your back or your neck to help support your respiratory system. And so this one is a great one for combining with like the solid coconut oil and creating your own little chest rub. So it contains Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And so like I said, this one is great to support that respiratory system. So to be honest, I often diffuse equal parts of Thieves and Raven together in my diffuser at night to help support that immune system and the respiratory system. So it's a good combination to put in your diffuser. And so they recommend that you diffuse it, you inhale it directly or dilute it with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. You don't have to use the Young Living V6 vegetable oil complex. You can combine it with coconut oil and create your own chest rub if you want to support that healthy respiratory system and your immune system. And then the last one is another one that is great for supporting the respiratory system. I like this one as well. This one is RC. And it stands for, a lot of people say that the RC stands for respiratory care. And so it's another one that's great for making your own chest rub, diffusing to help support that respiratory system. So that's a good one that I don't usually diffuse unless it's needed during the fall and the winter months. And so for RC, it says, RC is an ideal complement to V6 vegetable oil complex for creating a spa-like atmosphere during massage. It can also be used in place of aroma seeds in the raindrop technique. And so it contains a lot of eucalyptus. It contains Eucalyptus globulus, Eucalyptus radiata, Eucalyptus citriodora, myrtle, black spruce, peppermint, pine, lavender, marjoram, and cypress. And it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so out of the two of these, I like the smell of RC. It smells good, but it has that stronger eucalyptus smell. Smells more medicinal to me. Whereas the Raven, to me, has a really great smell. It almost reminds me of like those little pink candies that you get, but I love the smell of that one. So I like RC, but I prefer the scent of the Raven. So those are 6 essential oils that I like to use during the fall months in my diffuser or to make as a chest rub. And so I shared 3 singles, orange, clove, cinnamon bark, and then 3 blends, which were Thieves, Raven, and RC. If you're interested in me sharing some of my favorite diffuser blends that I put in my diffuser, let me know. I'm planning on doing that in the next couple weeks. So I will leave my membership number in the description box below. That way, if you want to try some of these products, you can. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.